So, midweek Wednesday, today we are talking about, a common symptoms of a illness and the uncommon or the peculiar symptoms of the patient's, the body's reaction to that particular illness. Now, let's take an example. If a patient of rheumatoid arthritis comes to us at the Integrated Wellness Clinic, there are certain diagnostic symptoms like morning stiffness, and sometimes the patient has arthritic nodosities, and the blood reports, the RA factor increasing, all those. Dr. Ruby Bansal, the internal medicine specialist, she will take care of that. And then Dr. Deepika Kohli will try and give us a nutritious diet, which triggers healing, anti-inflammatory diet, detoxifying diet, which reduces the inflammation process of the illness. And when I, Dr. Priya Kapoor, I will take the history, I'm the homeopath, I take the history in a manner where I try to find out the uncommon or the peculiar symptoms of this patient, which has been diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. So supposingly, when we take the history and we find that the stiffness or the pain is better by cold application. A patient tells us that when he or she dips his hand in ice cold water, he feels better. Now this is a very peculiar and uncommon symptom of a patient with joint pains, and this forms the basis of the homeopathic prescription. This is the body's reaction. This is the uniqueness, the individuality of the patient, how his body is reacting with the modality, the heat or the cold modality, and this forms the basis of a prescription. And most likely, he will try to come around in 2-3 months. So this kind of an integrated approach, a common symptom of a disease and the uncommon reaction of the patient to this particular illness, is what is the highlight of our treatment at the Integrated Wellness Clinic. If you want to understand our uniqueness, how we give value to the patient's reaction to a particular disease, you feel free to contact us, and we are available on WhatsApp for video consultation. We have a joint consultation and we can give you the best of treatment available today. Jai Hind.